I'm Natalie with Missouri Star Quilt Company, and today on Quilting 101 we're going to talk steam versus starch. Steam is something that you would want to use when you wanted to get out some wrinkles. It's just essentially hot water, comes out of your iron or a spray bottle, but it is going to relax your fabric. It's going to help get rid of wrinkles. It's great for large pieces if you're trying to press a back or a quilt top, something like that. Prepping your fabric before you cut it. Steam is great for relaxing and releasing wrinkles. Starch, on the other hand, is going to add stiffness and crispness to your blocks. It's going to make them a little bit more solid and less stretchy. So there's different levels of starch. That, there's the heavyweight starches and the lighter starches. They're made out of different things. So choose the one that's best for your project that you like to use. But that's essentially it. Steam relaxes and releases wrinkles, and starch presses and adds crispness and strength to your fabric. So it makes it nice and flat and easy to use in piecing blocks. You'll see it often in the more complex blocks, the smaller pieces or paper piecing. Starch is great for keeping everything very straight and flat. So I hope this helps. Have a great day.